Welcome back. You're watching Community Nanab and I'm Vikas Nangia. Valentine's Day is just around the corner and love is definitely in the air. In Austin, Texas, Monsoon Dance Company's Mayur Dance Team is organizing this beautiful celebration of love and romance in Bollywood style. Aptly titled Date with Bollywood, the event will take place on Feb 14th at the very glamorous location of Westin Hotel Ballroom at the Domain. TV Asia's Sambhavna Swilka finds out. She was in conversation with the organizers over Skype.
There are many places that are holding Valentine's Day events, but I've not heard of a combination of like fun and charity at the same time. So tell me about, how did this idea happen to be and where exactly will this donation be made and how will it help?
Sure. So Valentine's Day, it's all about celebration of love, really. It could be with your partner, with your children, with your parents, with your family, friends. And we were building on this idea of celebration of love and truly passing it on to people who need it and deserve it. And that's where this idea of, hey, let's combine the concept of fundraising with Valentine's Day came in. Also, Valentine's Day, if you think about it, it's romance. And what better way to do it than presenting Bollywood romance and give people a sense of what it is really to, to the whole romantic songs and dance and just the most amazing exotic locations, just so many elements in Bollywood that can be brought into an event and made it like a great experience, and yet all of that experience can be driven towards building a great cause. About Growing Roots, their purpose or their mission is to support families with children of special needs. They provide a lot of training and volunteer services, and from what I have heard about them from all their volunteers and talking to the founder, her name is Maria Hernandez, she does amazing work, uses the most optimal way of volunteer deployment, and just every penny that you give to them is well used for, and that's what I look for when we support a non-profit organization. It should be a local small charity that really, we want to see that whatever effort we put in really comes to effect and really helps people out. So that's why we decided to go with Growing Roots for this particular event, and this idea really came about.
Okay. So what can people, feel different, when they come to this event and, not go to others, because almost every place would be holding something or the else related to Valentine's Day. So how will your event be unique, and especially pertaining to the South Asian community, like for Indians, what can they expect from this, and how will it be different?
Sure. So, especially South Asian community, we've all grown up with watching Bollywood movies, with really dreaming about the whole fairy tale romance. It's all about the boy meeting the girl meeting the boy, and them living happily ever after. Good or bad as it sounds, most of our movies are actually about the boy and the girl ending up happily ever after. And personally, that growing up has added obviously a lot of love in my life. Just lots of love for life, just passion for life. Bollywood movies has been a big element, and I feel that it would be great if we actually bring that experience out to people. So this event is all about presenting that fairy tale romance, having the people experience that fairy tale romance through songs, through dance, through photo booths, to just help them reminisce their love stories, or just be there what they have special with their friends or family. Bring that Bollywood element of romance and love into people's life through this event. And that's what is very unique about this event, is that the Mayur Dance Team is working very hard towards bringing this to reality in terms of how we do the songs, what specific songs we select, situational songs. Bollywood has songs for pretty much every situation out there. And we're trying to pick very specific songs on, hey, this couple, they have this particular dedication, so this song will be very well suited for this couple, make it as personal and customizable of experience as possible. So that's what is unique, I think, about this event.
Bollywood brings larger-than-life romance through beautiful songs, extravagant locations, expressive dances, vibrant colors, and so much more. Mayur Dance Team member Lauren Bergfield says couples and singles, many in Austin, plan to celebrate the Day of Love in Bollywood style.
Valentine's Day for here in Texas is growing up. It's the ultimate, I guess, fantasy event. Charming. When you're a little girl, they put up in elementary school a big board, and everybody has a heart, and you pick a sweetheart, and so it's something we've been brought up with forever. And I'm a hopeless romantic myself, and I recently fell in love, and so I guess maybe I had love on the mind. And we were looking for a time to have an event, and I thought, oh, well, Bollywood is all about romance and love, and I love watching the movies, and it's just always just such classic love stories, what you wish would happen. Everybody falls in love immediately and has a great time. and so I thought Valentine's Day would be the perfect time for people to celebrate Bollywood, and dancing is always a great thing for couples.
There is love, there is life. जुदा है सबके लिए इश्क के मायने, अलग है सबकी प्यार की परिभाषा. This Valentine, let's spread love, let's spread happiness, let's fall in love once again, let's relive the Bollywood romance. बॉलीवुड की किसी न किसी कहानी से जरूर मिलती होगी आपकी प्रेम कहानी. कब हुआ था पहला प्यार, कैसा था इनकार से इजहार का सफर. Get ready to witness the fairy tale romance through outstanding Bollywood performances by Mayur Dance Team of Monsoon Dance on the occasion of Valentine's Day. TV Asia ने बात की Executive Director of Monsoon Dance से. याद होगा वो पहला नशा, वो पहला खुमार, वो दिल में जागी थी मनमर्जियां जब होने लगा था दिल किसी और का, जब पढ़ने लगे थे आप प्यार में. जिंदगी से जुड़ी हर लव सिचुएशन पर कोई ना कोई गाना जरूर मिल जाता है. वेल, मयूर डांस टीम अपने वैलेंटाइन बॉलीवुड परफॉर्मेंस के जरिए प्यार का नजराना पहुंचा रही है ग्रोइंग रूट्स तक, व्हिच इज अ नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सपोर्टिंग फैमिलीज ऑफ किड्स विद स्पेशल नीड्स. यानी प्यार के इस दिन होगा सेलिब्रेशन फॉर अ कॉज. मयूर डांस टीम के जरिए आप भी डेडिकेट कर सकते हैं अपने चाहने वालों के लिए खास गाने. मोहब्बत के इस खास दिन को यादगार बनाने के लिए कुछ खास किया जाना चाहिए. जो आपके अपने हैं उन्हें प्यार का एहसास दिलाया जाना चाहिए.
Just selecting with Bollywood movies, like Lauren mentioned, just it's always about the celebration of romance and so many different stories and situations. Just that I'm sure you can find a story and situation that is real life, feels like real life, and close to heart type of Bollywood movie. So one of the ideas was to just select and pick a movie, see if it's your sweetheart, cozy it up, and bring some Indian food in, and make it all about you and your love story through Bollywood.
I always like to dedicate songs on the radio to my sweetheart. If you can find a radio station that would play a Bollywood song for you, and they'll announce it over the radio, dedicated to whoever you love. And I would always say a nice picnic, something outside in a nice field of flowers is a great idea.
प्यार करने वालों के लिए वैसे तो हर दिन हर पल ही सेलिब्रेशन जैसा होता है, पर इन खास मौकों पर जब होठों पर आते हैं दिल के जज्बात, फिर तेज होती हैं धड़कनें और फिर से हो जाता है प्यार.
That's all for today's edition of Community Roundup. Remember, if you have any comments, questions or suggestions, you can email us at communitynews@tvasiausa.com. You can also visit us at facebook.com/tvasiausa. Just hit the like button and continue the conversation with us.